Over the past 2 months, since Raser successfully demonstrated a 50-mile battery range test, the development team has been conducting a series of highway test drives to fine-tune the vehicle's highway cruise mode for long-distance driving. Since then, the team has accomplished over 20 highway test drives, both in Utah and several more in Detroit at FEV's Vehicle Integration Facility. Recently, the team set out to test the vehicle's long-distance highway mode while generating its own electricity for the trip using the onboard generator or range extender. The test drive began at the company's tech center in Orem, Utah, and headed south on I-15, maintaining an average speed of 65 to 75 miles per hour. The H3 quickly accelerated to highway speeds, then settled into highway cruise mode, with the range extender generating power for the electric propulsion motor while driving. The range extender replaces the large combustion engine and consists of a 100 kilowatt electric generator powered by a small 4-cylinder Ecotec gas engine, one of the most efficient gas engines on the market. Program manager Casey Jones drove the vehicle with lead software engineer Thierry Cassat and lead hardware engineer Tom Gallagher riding along to monitor the vehicle's systems and capture test data from the drive. While on the road, the electric Hummer attracted attention and cheers of support from other vehicles on yet another historic benchmarking test drive. At Payson, Utah, the team exited to check vehicle and battery conditions and downloaded test data for the first part of the test drive. The route consisted of typical varying freeway conditions and freeway speeds, beginning at Orem, Utah, heading south on I-15 to Payson, Utah, then turning around and heading north for the second and longest segment of the trip past Orem and continuing northward past Lehigh, American Fork, and Thanksgiving Point. After passing Lehigh, the electric H3 began the long uphill climb to the top of the section of highway known as the Point of the Mountain. After climbing to the top of the hill at the point of the mountain, the team turned around on their way back to the Raser Tech Center in Orem. All in all, the H3 performed well on the 90-mile test drive with top speed over 90 miles per hour during passing. The team emphasizes that though they successfully avoided a potential speeding ticket, it was all in the name of science. The team completed the 90-mile test drive back at the Orem Tech facility and downloaded the test data for analysis and further development. Congratulations, team, on achieving another important milestone.